Hey friends, TUXX here. You know, I had something happen about a week ago where I thought it was the end. I thought my trusty tank here, my ThinkPad, and I have a bunch of laptops, and this is just one which I use for work purposes because it's such a tank. You can see even if you go back to the previous one, I peeled off some stickers and stuff, and I thought it was dead. Okay, I did a thing where you plug it in and it seems to be taking a charge, but it won't boot up, okay? And I've had computers where you have to redo the Windows or whatever, you know, but this was something different, actually. It wasn't even going past, like, the BIOS page or anything. It was just, like, not wanting to start. Like, there was something really, really wrong, you know? And so, like, maybe the battery or something, like, it wasn't getting power, but there was a light coming on, you know? So it was a problem where basically when you first open it, if this is happening to you, okay, don't mind the little smudges. I didn't clean this for the video. You hit this button and it just flashes like 3 times. Okay, it doesn't boot up. You don't see any kind of boot screen or anything. Okay, if that happens to you, the secret, and I can't believe this is true, I honestly can't, is you need one of these. I think this came from a cell phone, maybe an old Samsung or something. I have a bunch of little pins around. You could use a push pin or whatever you want, but there's a little teeny hole, like right there, okay? And you can hit that hole, just kind of pop it in, and when you do, you'll hear a click. You'll physically feel a tactile push, and you'll hear just the slightest little click. And then when you do that, that resets everything, and then basically it came right on. Okay, so if you are ever having a problem where you think your ThinkBook is dead, okay, it probably isn't dead. Okay, so just get a push pin, make sure it has juice, maybe plug it in, do this while it's plugged in, you know, push it in there, reboot, and it comes right up. Okay, so anyway, guys, I just wanted to share that with you. A lot of people probably already know this, but I mean, out of all my laptops, I don't think I've ever had to like push pin to start before. So it was a real shocker that that actually worked. I thought it was it. I thought this was gonna go in the trash can. But luckily, my ThinkPad, partial stickers and all, has a little more life left in it. All right, friends, thanks for watching. If you have a tip for getting rid of stickers, let me know. I'm kind of cleaning it off and redoing it. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.